Hey guys, Merry Christmas Eve. It's Will. This video we're going to be talking about Applied Digital, how I invested in it, and how they're building data centers and big companies like Nvdia are buying into this company, Applied Digital, and I'm going to show you why I bought it yesterday to make over $350 today. 5% on the day, or almost 6%, and we're in Applied Digital. So yesterday we traded a few stocks. We started off trading Rigetti, which actually did a similar move to what it did today. I don't know if you guys see this, but it sold off right here. This is market open on Rigetti. Sold off from what was 11.31 down to 10.30. So quite a bit. And then it recovered 11%. And that was a play that if I look yesterday, so this is, let's look on the 23rd at market open. Where is that? Right here? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so yesterday it sold off at market open till about this time equivalent, and then it pushed up really the same equivalent. It did that same type of move that it did today. So Rigetti is really on fire. These are all our quantum AI companies. They started off kind of red at the beginning of the day. But yeah, so we traded Rigetti yesterday. Then we traded Rocket Lab, and we had a profitable day trading all of them. I think we were up about 8% yesterday on the day, if not more. And then today, well, let me break it down. So yesterday, end of day, I was looking at Applied Digital. So this is a company that helps build the data centers for Nvdia, and Nvdia is a main investor in the company. They work with a lot of other chip companies and data centers companies to help them build that infrastructure. Really just seeing them sell off. And you know, this is a little bit of a different technical analysis. There's 3 steps we'll go through: technicals, the news, and the financials. And the technical analysis is a little different than what I normally do. I'm not going to look at the support and resistance so much, although I think it was in my favor. There is this clear support right here. Resistance, support. So there is a support where I bought right here, but that's not why I bought. The reason was the news, so that their main investor is Nvdia. So if I drop through, let's see, Applied Digital news, just really quick, you guys can see Barclays, they dropped a bigger position. State Street just copped 20 million stocks. A lot of big institutions just started buying up today. Can see not a whole lot of okay. Nvidia discloses a stake, keeps ARM and SoundHound stakes. So basically, again, they build data centers. So they are one of the prominent companies in building data centers. We've done some coverage on them, but there wasn't any one catalyst. It's just, a lot of really good news from multiple, what seems to be big AI players investing in the company and also using the company's services, which is good. And then you got a lot of big stock shares towards institutional investors, and they're still only around $1 billion valuation, so still a pretty small company. So that was kind of the news side of things. And then when we look at the technicals, kind of saw it sell off a little bit since market open, which I might close this position actually. Keep a close eye on it. Yeah, I'll keep a close eye. There's this really interesting trend, technical analysis strategy that I found recently. And basically, you look at a trend. So for example, we have this trend that's going up. I think I can even go further out. Yeah, there you go. So you got this trend here. Okay, so we're kind of at this support on this trend. See that moving uptrend? Okay, and then on top of that, so that's one thing. And then also you kind of have this, let's look on the 1 month. Make it a little more readable for you guys. There we go. And then you also kind of have this trend to see this lowering support. And that was kind of happening. And so what does that mean? Well, it means we have essentially we have this intersection right here where you have one trend meeting another trend, but overall sentiment is bullish. And so usually when that happens, it's going to have to choose a direction. I see it as bullish longer term, so it made sense that it would potentially continue its upward direction. So that isn't, it's a different analysis on the technicals. This wasn't a fully technical play by any means, but that type of analysis is something that I've seen a lot of investors use before. And recently I wanted to try it out and also, manage my risk. But we see it holding above this this moving average. It's starting to kind of like pick up some momentum. And we've seen it up to $33 a share, if that says anything. Did see it get rejected here, right at $11.20 again. But I think, where it is now, it seems like it's going to continue its upward direction. That's why I got in. Okay, so that was the technicals. News looked good. And then the last thing was the financials. The financials for this company seemed to be quite above average for a lot of AI industry companies, because a lot of times you're buying what could be, which in this case we do see their net income was down about 4 million. It's not too concerning. I mean, they're almost a $2 billion market cap, so to see them just basically come up $4 million short is not too bad. Year over years looked good. That was one thing, right? We see their revenue going up 67% year over year, net income going up 62% year over year, profit margins going up 77% year over year, cost of revenue looking okay. And so with those things, the year over year improvements, something I like to see. On top of that, they just recently beat their earnings in August, and it was kind of like this trend where they were not beating by any margin, getting closer, getting even closer, and then actually beating it, which to me kind of symbolizes this growth trajectory. And so that was the financial reason why I'm getting in there as well. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. It's Christmas Eve. I gotta get some stuff done, and we just wrapped up our live session with Stockmate, where I was trading live. If you guys want to watch me trade live, we invest in AI stocks and everything else. And if you want to watch me trade live at market open, surround yourself with other traders and investors and get started growing your portfolio. I would love to be a part of your success. Make sure to check out that second link down below, and you can join for a limited time. There's a great discount there till the end of the year. So thank you guys again for watching. Appreciate you all. If you enjoyed your hit that like button. Do consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.